Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have batteries and the device powered. Now start the programming routine. First, press and hold the remote setup or code search button until the LED blinks. This tells the remote you're entering codes. Once done, aim the remote at the device and be ready to enter or search codes. Make sure to keep the device on during the whole process so it can respond to each pulse. This initial step establishes communication and prevents wasted code attempts. Now perform the code entry or auto search to pair control functions. If you have a code, type it directly and then press Setup or OK to lock it in. This is faster and more accurate. If you don't, start the auto search. Press the power or channel up repeatedly while pointing at the device until it turns off. Each press sends a different code. Once the device responds, press Setup/OK immediately to save. Then verify volume, mute, and input to ensure full control. Finish by confirming the remote controls every necessary function. Cycle inputs and adjust volume to verify. If a function is missing, make sure you save the code and then retry with the next code in the list. Different code families map buttons differently. Once tried, replace batteries and remove obstructions. If the remote behaves erratically, perform a factory reset and reprogram from the beginning. This clears conflicting settings. One key troubleshooting tip: always try a full auto search before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.